All this stuff didn't happen overnight.
Turn it up back.
Bumper, that's the rear bumper right there. Looks nice and clean. It's nice. It didn't happen over, it didn't happen that quick. It happened years and years, a couple of years to get everything that I need to do my own business. But yeah, that's my, that's what I had to go through to get where I'm at now. And you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell so you guys can get updates every time I post. And thank you. This is I guess you could say a subscriber special, 8 subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to grow my channel, help everybody out, help the welders, people breaking out to the welding field and everything. If you guys got any questions, and let me know down below. And thanks for watching the video. Out.